Hello everyone, welcome to day 306 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, we are looking at how to crochet this triangle shell stitch. So I've done this in a thicker yarn. So I'm going to show it to you in a thinner yarn so that it looks more like a lace stitch. Okay. So the stitch is very simple with a 2-row interlaced repeat, which means 4 rows. So you start off with 9 chains. Then you skip the first 3 chains and make a triple crochet. Okay. Again 9 chains. Make a triple crochet into the 4th chain from here. Okay. Basically between the 2 loops you need 3 stitches, 3 chains. Okay. So you can do this to any length that you want. Now for row 2, or let's say this is the setup row and we are doing row 1. Start with the chain 1 and you have to complete the row with a chain 3. Okay. So that is your foundation row. That is, you started off with the chain 3 and you're ending with the chain 3. Now chain 1, turn your work. Into the very first stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Into the second stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay. Now, into this loop right here, into this loop right here, you're going to make 9 triple crochet stitches. Okay, into each of these loops, you have to make 9 triple crochet stitches. Okay, once you have 9 triple crochet stitches, find the middle chain here. That is, you have to skip 1 chain here, make 1 single crochet in the middle, and again go into the next loop and make 9 triple crochet stitches. Okay, so you have to do this same thing, 9 triple crochet, 1 single crochet till you reach the end of the row. Okay, again make 1 single crochet and then move into the next loop and make 9 triple crochet stitches. Okay, now you have to make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, that is the last 2 stitches. So the starting and the ending of the row has 2 single crochets, otherwise it's just 1 single crochet in between. Now, so this is the shell repeat row with full shells. Okay. Now we are going to do the base, which will be the half shell base. Okay. So for the half shell base, you have to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4. Make 10 chains. Okay. Find the middle 3 stitches of this shell. So you skip these 3, skip the 3 at the end. So these 3 are the middle stitches. So skip 3 triple crochets, make 1 single crochet into each of those 3 stitches. Okay, so this is going to create the half shell base. So if you see here, here we have full shells and we have half shell. So we did a full shell base. Now then we did a full shell. Then now we are doing a half shell base and we'll be doing a half shell row. Again a full shell base, a full shell. So that's how any shell stitch pattern that is interlaced, it goes like this. Now you have done with 3 single crochets, chain 6, again go into the next shell stitch, skip the first 3 and into the next 3 you are going to make 1 single crochet into each. Okay, so you can see these little triangles forming here. Again 6, okay. Now we are reaching the end of the row where you will be making a double triple crochet by into the single crochet from the previous row, into the very first single crochet, which is right here. So this completes the half shell base. Now we have to start with a half shell. You have to start with chain 5 and into the first single crochet right here you're going to make 5 triple crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now into the middle stitch, which is right here, you're making 1 single crochet. Okay. Again go into the next loop, which is over here. So this chain 6 loop here, you're going to make your triple crochet stitches. Okay, find the middle stitch, make 1 single crochet, again make 9 triple crochet stitches. Okay, now find the fifth chain from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the fifth chain, you're making those half shell of triple crochets. Now for the full shell base, so that completes our next row. Now for the full shell base, you chain one. We started off with 2 single crochets here, right? So you just have to make 1 single crochet into the first one and 1 single crochet into the second one. Again, chain 6 and make 3 single crochets into those middle stitches. Again, chain 6. Make 3 single crochets into those 3 triple crochet stitches. Again, chain 6 and make 2 single crochets into the last 2 stitches. Okay. So that is the base for the next row. Okay. Now you have to do the full shell row, where you chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet, 1 more single crochet, make your triple crochet stitches into this first space. Okay, make 9 triple crochet stitches and then you make 1 single crochet in the middle right here. So that's it for the stitch. You have to repeat those rows over and over again till you reach the length that you want. That is, now we have done a full shell row. Next will be a half shell setup. Then it will be a half shell row, which is this row. Again a full shell setup, which is this row. And then again a full shell row. So it just goes on like that. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can reach us out on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.